Today I'm going to unbox these two mystery boxes. I don't know what this one's called, and I don't know what this one's called. But this one's from Walmart, and this is from, I think, Woo. But, I'm unboxing this one last. This is the options for this one. And if I get one, I want that one, but I don't really watch the show. I know this is from a show. I've seen shorts of it. And I'm going to start to unbox it. Yes! Perfect grip. Oh, I think is that a card? I don't know. I've never opened something from Walmart. Before. Maybe. Oh, yeah, the Labubu. I remember. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, which one is this one? Oh, it's this one. Okay. Oh, does it come? Oh. Okay, it comes with the card and this thing. Oh, okay, so this is just like okay. It's like those gel beads and the thing. Yeah, do not eat this. This is the card. Comes with a person with a hat, and they're holding a little guy. And yeah, that's it. Really, it has a tail. Might be a dragon. I forgot what these are called. Antlers? I don't know. But I'm gonna put the trash aside. The box aside. This thing. And we're gonna put them right there. Okay. So I really want the dinosaur for this one. I did a ritual before so I could get the dinosaur. But I'm probably not gonna get it. So let's open it and see what we got. Oh my god. This is not looking good. I don't think we got the dinosaur. Yes. We didn't get, I don't think, yeah, we didn't get it. Oh, it's shiny. And it comes with a little crystal. Oh. Wait, this one's actually cool though. I like this one. Okay, so these are the crystals. Oh. Okay. So we're gonna put, this might look like glass. Maybe it's glass, but you put this in here, and then you put the little crystals in here too. And put the little crystals. Put the little crystals in here. I think you do. Maybe you don't. He looks like he's throwing up crystals, and then you put this, like, I don't know what this goes, but maybe the gem was broken. Wait, guys, let me check. Did I get a broken gem? Did I get a broken gem? No, I think this is just a different part, but I really like this. It might be just like glass colored into a gem. I don't think it's a real gem. And, there's nothing else in here. Just these little gems. And that's all for today. Bye. Oh, yeah, I forgot to show this more. I'm sorry. It's a crown. It's really shiny. I think it's a sheep, maybe. Okay. Dear. That's all for today. Bye.